Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to describe a trend model for a data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition after adding a trend line. The dataset that we will be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet here, highlighted in orange, called Sheet 1. And I'm going to drag two fields. One is against dragon to columns. I'm going to drag against psychic to rows. And then I'm going to drag classification to color. So this will now create a scatter plot where each point is a Pokemon classification, and it shows the total against dragon and against psychic values for that classification. Now to add a trend line, we can right click any point and go to the option from the top down. It is the sixth option. I'm going to click on show trend line, and this will now show the trend line for the scatter plot. Now to then describe the trend model, we can right click this trend line and go to the fifth option from the top down to describe trend model. And this will describe the trend model, which is a summary about the trend line and all the different metrics and also the individual trend lines as well. So there you have it. This is how you can describe a trend model in Tableau Public Desktop Edition for data visualization that you create.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.